Amid this coronavirus pandemic, security forces are one section of the society which is selflessly rendering their services. Today we are here at Parliament Street Police Station, where a machine has been installed to sanitize uniforms, shields and all the apparels which a policeman carries today to combat coronavirus in these deadly times. This machine here, I'll request my camera person to zoom in here. This machine here is a sanitization machine and sanitizes uniforms, the shields, the batons, everything that a police personnel carry here. You can see this is a machine which treats these germs. It is known as GermiClean. This machine treats and sanitizes the uniform and all the products inside by using temperature. I'll request my camera person to zoom in here. You can see the temperature reflects here. So according to the DRDO, the machine, this particular machine kills the virus or any sort of infectant on the uniform. It goes till 70 degrees and hence it kills all the virus on the uniform. This machine not only cleans the uniform but the mask and the face shield which is worn by police officers, and to even minuscule products such as paper, clips, hangers, anything which has come in contact with this police officer. This helps them combat this deadly virus all the more. Today we are joined by the team of DRDO which has worked on this machine. We will talk to them. So could you please highlight about this initiative here, that you've bought this machine on the request of Delhi Police?
See what happened, we have decided our corona fighters, which basically fighting this fight. So we thought that we should give them a product which basically, utilized to desanitize their uniform. So we have thought the idea of dry heat. So dry heat is very effective in denaturalizing that coronavirus. So we have made this chamber which basically can go up to 70-degree temperature. So whatever item we keep, whether it's a uniform or normal articles like cane, shields and all, everything for 10 minutes these you keep inside the chamber and the coronavirus will be killed. So that was the idea behind developing this product and giving as much as protection to our warriors who are fighting this fight from the front.
Ma'am, how many uniforms can this machine sanitize at once?
Yeah, this particular machine has been designed to sanitize at least 25 uniforms at once, and if you look inside the space, it has a lot of space where you can put the canes, the helmets, the cane shields and all the equipments that can withstand the temperature of 70 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. All those items, they can be sanitized with the help of this particular machine. So it's quite a huge machine, and a smaller version also has been installed in the Parliament Street office only. That is for the sanitization of the papers. So whatever the paper or the dark they are receiving from the outside, they have to put it in that particular small chamber for at least 10 minutes at 70 degrees Celsius temperature, and then this gets sanitized. And then we have recommended the officials that they should then only allow the dark to enter their premises. So that is another application of this particular machine where you can sanitize papers as well.
So what is the approximate cost which went into building this entire machine?
Ma'am, actually the cost depend on the kind of size, right? And it is basically the dry heat. The system, actually we have working the other solution, different solutions, and optimizing that, which one is useful for us, right? So for the police forces, they cannot clean their, they cannot disinfect their dresses with the traditional fogger systems, because they need to do it as early as possible. This dry heat gives that advantage. So that's why it is just a basic advantage compared to the conventional one.
When you talk about the cost, see, it's an experimental basis, first prototype. So what we do, we design, we develop and make the first prototype. So basically this prototype we have made for about 2 lakhs. Once number of items are increases, then of course the manufacturing cost goes down. So the bigger chamber, we have spent about 2 lakhs rupees, and the smaller chamber which just Nidhi madam talked about, it was 50,000 rupees.
So this is, you see how DRDO has stepped up once again and has been stepping up ever since this pandemic came across the entire world and gripped the nation. This is how they have been doing their bit to help the security forces and the entire nation combat coronavirus.